Hi, my name is Abby. I'm from West Coast Sweat, and today I'm here to talk to you guys about mountain climbers, which is one of our favorite exercises to practice in our Inferno hot Pilates class. It's actually a really good way to get your core engaged, work on your shoulder stability, and get your heart rate up really high, as long as you keep your form in alignment. All right, so I'll show you first. Traditionally, you want to bring your hands into your mat right under the shoulders, tuck your toes, and bring yourself into a nice high plank. Right, make sure your shoulders are down away from the ears as you keep that micro bend in the elbows. Now pull your belly in tight and squeeze your glutes. And now you can start to lift your feet up off the mat as you drive your knees in towards the chest. One of the great things about this exercise is you can choose your pace, right? You can choose your range of motion, and it still will be just as effective as long as you keep your alignment. But if you're still working on building your strength in your wrists or in your shoulders, there are still options for you. First one here, you can bring your fingers out towards the sides and still come up into your high plank. Just taking a little pressure off the wrist. You can always bring your forearms onto the mat here. Still find a nice forearm plank and just bring your knees around to the sides. Keeping that core nice and tight. Another option is you can come onto your backs, roll all the way back, moving into bicycles, still keeping that same muscle focus of the core, right? Just a little bit lighter on the joints. And our last option is you can always roll up onto your feet and do standing mountain climbers, right? So from here, just stand tall, keep your belly tight as you bring the knees in towards the chest. Right, but no matter what, there's always an option for you, so just keep working hard. If your problem is not feeling stabilized in your wrists at all, then this video on mountain climbers is for you. And I'll see you guys on your mats.